This assessment asks us to look at two different acetyl hydrolysis reactions as to why they have different KEQ values. The number for KEQ is made up of delta G. Delta G is made up of delta H and delta S. I have gone ahead and put up the bonds broken and the bonds formed for both reactions. It is found that for delta H, both of these reactions have the same bonds broken and bonds formed. So we know that the difference in KEQ cannot be because of delta H. Given that delta H is the same for both reactions, we now have to look at entropy. For this reaction, we have 2 molecules going to 2 molecules. This means that the delta S for this reaction is approximately 0. For this reaction, we have 2 molecules going to 3 molecules. This means that delta S is greater than 0, which is why we have a KEQ that is going to be greater than 1 in a more favorable reaction.